Alright, this one's pretty easy. So as always, the fact that we have a y in our x limit means that x goes first. So that means 3 goes on, y goes on the outside. This goes on the inside. E to the negative y squared dx dy. So the first thing we do is we integrate with respect to y, with respect to x. So we're just going to add an x to the outside of it. And we're going from y to 0 of dy. Let's just move across this way. Actually, no. So that means that this is going to equal y e to the negative y squared. Yeah, that's it. Don't worry about subbing in the 0 because you're just going to get a 0. So that is it. So now we have to integrate this with respect to y. And in order to do that, we have to say, well, let u equal negative y squared, which means that du dy equals negative 2y, which means that dy equals du negative 2y. So then we come back here and we go 3, 0, y, e to the u, and we remember that dy now equals this, so we sub this in, du negative 2y, and then having done this, we realize that we can cancel our y's out, and then we can take out negative 2, which is here it is, out to the front because it's a constant, and we're left with this. Then we're left with that equation. And we know that the integral of e to the u is, ready for it, e to the u. Then we have to sub our u back in. Our u is that. So we're going to go negative y squared e to the negative y squared 3, 0. So we're going to get negative 1/2 e to the negative 9 minus e to the 0, which equals negative 1/2 e to the negative 9 minus 1. And this could be rewritten as 1/2 1 minus e minus 9. That's a nice way to write it. So this should be our answer. 1/2 1 minus e to the 9. And that's what we got.